video oplaai op YouTube om net te kyk hoe dit lyk en of julle dit ook kan sien. Dis maar net rofwerk. Ek gaan nog baie foute maak en ek gaan nog baie goeters ek gaan nog bietjie goed bylas, maar ek wil net hê julle moet ook luister en kyk en sê wat julle dink van die video en of alles reg is. Okay, ek gaan nou myself introduce en verskoning vra dat ek nou nie daar is nie. Dan gaan ek begin met okay, our research finding, customers. Questions that would ask to the following customers, students, is as follow. What does 3M stand for on the packaging? As you can see, 67% of the people said that it stands for 3M. 10% has no idea. Have you ever heard about 3M? 64% of the students said that they have never heard about 3M, and only 10% knows about postage and Scotch. Do you use any of the 3M products? 80% said no, never, and 20% said yes. Have you ever seen of the next slide is, have you ever seen have you ever seen these products in stores? 38% said no, 50% said yes, and 12% said they only see the other brands. What do you think of the packaging? What do you think of the packaging? We showed the products that was given to us, to the respondents. 100% of the respondents said they like the notes and the rabbits. 76% said that they dislike the colors. They dislike the colors of Scotch. The final question we asked them is, if Scotch tapes cost R22.99 and sellotape cost R16.99, would you buy Scotch if you knew it was better quality? 90% of the customers said that they would go for cheaper brands, and only 10% said that they would change and go to the more quality product. With mothers, we had almost a similar kind of reaction. We asked them what 3M stands for. 88% also said that it stands for 3 meters. Have you ever heard about 3M? Never. 43% said no, and 46% said yes, which is a lot better than the students. Do you use any of the products? 72% that said that they never use the products. Have you ever seen any of these products in store? This was also a lot more better than students, as 44% said yes and 40% said no. What do you think of the packaging? 76% said they like the notes and the rabbits, and 48% said they dislike the Scotch colors. The same ending question was asked to the mothers. If Scotch tapes cost R22.99 and sellotapes cost R16.99, would you buy Scotch if you knew it was a better quality? 80% said they would go with cheaper brands, and 20% said they would go with better qualities. It shows actually that mothers do actually have interest in better qualities. The conclusion with our findings is that through the surveys and questions that were done, we have determined a few strong points and weaknesses. An estimate of 82% of respondents have said that they thought that 3M on the packaging stands for 3 meters and not the name of your company. This is also misleading, as this is not the length of Scotch tape. So in both scenarios, customers are being misled by the packaging. Another point of interest would be how noticeable 3M's products are. 49% of all respondents have said that they have never heard or seen 3M's products, and all of the respondents, 76, don't, and of all of the respondents, 76% don't use 3M's products. This was one of our main concerns that we have identified and want to improve in your company. This will be explained in more detail later on in this presentation. One of the strong points we have noticed is that some of the respondents, 88% to be exact, does like the Scotch tape in the form of the rabbit as well as the post-it notes due to the fact that the color is bright and noticeable. Taking in consideration that what the customers prefer will in the end sell on the shelves. We as an honest group definitely would think twice before we would buy any of these types of products at our local retailer. We have noticed that these products are good quality products, but this does not seem to influence the customers that we asked. Even though there is an estimated difference of R6 in the pricing of 3M's products and the competitors, the customers seem to choose the less pricey product over the better quality product. We have noticed that they don't want to spend extra money on a product that isn't really a necessity. They also have highlighted that they do not make use of these products every day. That is also an influence in their choice of products. That also has an influence in their choice of products. With all being said, this only highlights slide 9, the problem, where the customers aren't educated with the products and are price sensitive due to the fact that these products aren't necessities but rather luxuries. On slide 14, on slide 14, our research finding about retailers managers. The managers said in various said that customers don't know about Scotch products and they want similar and they buy what is similar. That's what CNA said. SPAR's manager said we stock minimal stationary products, so we stock products that sell, and Scotch product sales are less than other competitors. Scotch products are quality, but the customer knows, but I don't know. The customer know that. Okay, ons moet net daai regmaak, Elsie. And then lastly, P&A's, people don't come and ask for Scotch tape because they like the cheap stuff. Conclusion, I think that all of these comments speaks for itself, and was noted that first of all, customers aren't familiar with the products, retailers have minimal stock of the products, and customers do not ask for your products. On slide 15, who and how will we target retailers? The retailers that we will be targeting is Checkers, Pick n Pay, Spar, CNA, and P&A. Retailers will be encouraged to stock Scotch and posted products through 3M, focusing on customers' awareness of the brand. These retailers are full-service supermarkets that sell all of the necessary products that the everyday household needs. This is the ideal time to target the mother segment, as they go shopping most of the time. Once they notice an advertisement about Scotch adhesives, they will immediately remember that some products might be needed around the house. This could happen during any season, for instance when it's almost back to school time, where the books need to be covered or they need writing material or etc. This is also a good thing for students. Ek gaan net klaar. Ek gaan nou later alles sê. Sê my, wat dink julle en op wie se toon het ek getrap en waar moet ek verander of verbeter? Dankie julle. Bye.